Hey guys, I'm back. This is part 3 of the unboxing of the ring. Suski. Well, hang on, I gotta check the game. I forgot. Hang on, I guess it's right. Sinsuk. Or Holly's name. I don't know. I'll just call him Sinsuk. So, yes, we are down with Brutus, the Barber Beefcake. I didn't even know this was an actual wrestler, so yeah. I'm just trying to carefully get him out of the package. I don't want to damage him at all. Alright, I got him out, and yeah, I get his mask. Alright, so yeah. And yeah, and this is his face. You know what this face looks like? It looks like he's smiling like, oh, I'm back after a long time and stuff. Or whatever else, I don't know. I gotta think of another catchphrase. And anyway, I didn't know he was an actual wrestler. And here's his equipment. Oh, dang, it got stuck in my glove. He comes with this mask, and look. This is his face with the mask. So yeah, and here's his shears. Barber shears. Exact. I'm gonna try to. Yeah, and second, I would rather be careful on this. Oh snap! Look, I just found a little crack right here that his hand might easily fall off. So I should just being careful with this. So yeah, these are his shears. So yeah, I'm gonna take a look. So in case I'm using him in wrestling figure shows, then yeah, I'm gonna try be careful getting him out. And this is what he looks like without his shirt. Here you go. Now. Yeah, I'm just trying to take it off carefully. Second, I should just be careful if you see something like this. Yeah, and because I'm not just gonna go back and just ask them for that. So yeah, ask for like helping out with stuff. Well, usually you should maybe. So this is what he looks. This is what he looks like without a shirt and has a mask on, and this is what it looks like without it. So yeah, it's very neat. You can take this off. I'm impressed how Mattel made this. So it's like giving them credit. It's like I'm the strictest one and stuff, actually. So yeah, this is the Brutus Beefcake. Yes, I was right. I thought it. Alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed this awesome unboxing after 3 parts. I'm sorry if this camera does not want to, like, you know, stop with the long video stuff on, like, you know, showing stuff by saying, well, actually, just, you know, the camera shuts off automatically, or if it's a long video. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed that unboxing. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more unboxing like this. And don't forget to subscribe to Adam's World Wrestling, because this show is gonna go up next. So, alright, that's all we have, and yeah, here he is. It's like he's saying right here. I just gotta find his theme song of what he played. Yep. I just need to find out, like, his theme songs, and eventually I might be able to, like, you know, play his theme as well, especially for him, Sensuk as well. So anyway, hope you all enjoy this boxing, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.